Welcome to my channel DPAB friends. We are going to see Python for Beginners by DPAB. This is about the introduction on this. And if you have already not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe my channel. Press bell icon button and click all so that you will get notification about all my videos. And if you like this particular video, please press like button also. If you feel that you are not able to subscribe my channel DPAB, please create one Gmail ID using Google. Go to YouTube, sign in YouTube, then you can watch my video. Then you will be able to subscribe, click bell icon button, press all, then write some comment and press like button. You can share the videos also to your friends. Let us get into the video now. So in this introduction, what we are going to see here is about six different processes we are going to see. First process is setting up. So you need to install the Python using this python.org. Okay. So python.org is this. It is available for the world, anybody at free of cost. No need to pay any amount for this. Then after this, you have to install another IDE, Integrated Development Environment. Okay. So IDE softwares, there are many things are available. Some are IDLE. It comes with Python itself. But VS Code, this is a Microsoft product, or PyCharm, where we will be having more features, right? So check installation, run Python dash dash version. So if you give in your this command in Windows or these other places, Python dash dash version, then you will be able to see which version of Python. So right now I am having this Python 3.14. I would like to show you that. So I'll press this Control R. So CMD, this is opening the Windows window displays. And here we have to type PYTHON dash, then dash dash version. Okay, so this will show that Python 3.2 this is installed here. Okay. So Python, after installation, you will be getting this information like Python 3.14.2 or whatever is the latest version. When you are installing, you will be getting it. Okay. Now we'll just get back to our place. So then after this, you will be installing VS Code also. When you install the VS Code, you will be getting the icon in your desktop like this. You can create it and you will be able to open the VS Studio where you will be typing the Python code like this. Okay. So some of the files which already I have just opened here, I'll just close it here. Okay. How to create a new file in VS Code for Python? Click on this file. Now click this new file. You are having four options starting with new. So please do not get confused with the new text file or new window with profile. You have to click on new file only. Okay. Then this will be asking you to type the file name or file type here. So what you have to do here is, so I'll click once again new file, select file type or file name it says. Okay. So I'll type it as my Python file 1. Okay. So create new file. So it is asking me to save this mypython.file1 in some other place. So here we have to be very careful. File name is .py we have to give. So mypython file1 .py, and this is by default it is all files is there. Okay. So I'll quickly go on to save this in particular place wherever already I have created this. Right now I'll just make it create file. The button is being pressed now. So it is giving some statement here. When you start typing, you will be getting the blank here. Okay, I want to type print, P-R-I-N-T. So are you able to see that guidance here? When you type P, with related to P, whatever things are available in Python, everything will be coming here. We are having about 10 items. So you can just see here property, pow, pass, many things are there. But as a beginner, you should learn how to use the word print. Okay. Print. Then after this, we have to start the parenthesis like this. So when you click the parenthesis only one time, the closing parenthesis also will be appearing here. So here what it is asking, values, object, SCP, str, this is a string. Str means string. String means text, okay? Like this, many things are available. Let us not worry about this now as a beginner. So I'll just type now, hello, welcome to Python learning as a beginner. Okay, so this is what I'm going to give now. So now this particular area where we are typing in our file name is appearing here, my Python file.py. So the line of the code is number 1. So when I press enter here, then it will come to line number 2. If I want to type something in the second line, then I can create it. Without that, if I press it, it will go to third line. Without any entry, if I'm pressing it, is going to fourth line. Like it is possible. But now if you come here, you will be able to see this run button here in the right side top. Run Python file. Okay. So which file we are running? This is the active file here. Okay. So this is the active file. I would like to run this. We are having only one command, print, open parenthesis, double quote, hello, welcome to Python, learning as a beginner, then ending the double quote and print. So whatever is there inside the double quote will be displayed. So it is going to open one terminal here. I'm not selecting any terminal here right now. It is going to open when I click the run Python file. Automatically the terminal will come and display this text. Okay. Right now I clicked on this. Now you are seeing here this window is created and it has gone to the tab terminal. So here we have problems, output, debug console, terminal port. So terminal tab is automatically selected and these are the commands it has already displayed. What are the things it has executed here? But this blue color one is the output what we have got it. This blue color round area. Hello, welcome to Python learning as a programmer. And now it says this, now it is available in, now the command is ready to accept it from this C drive under this user folder and Prabhakar subfolder. It is my name. Okay. Right. So now we are going back to this one. So setting up is done. We have done just checked one small code here. Okay. So which is used here with the VS code. If you are using IDLE, the screen like you will be getting in IDLE. If you are using PyCharm, same thing is applicable for PyCharm. But what we are seeing here is VS code. Okay. Right. Now print hello world. If I type it, what is the thing you will be getting? Right now, whatever is in the double quote, you will be getting like this. So this is what we have experienced here, right? Is it not good? Okay. So this is a classic first program. Print within double quote is a built-in function. So what they are telling, it's a built-in function. So everybody in the world, if somebody is typing print within double quote, it will be considered as that computer has understood this. And whatever output is available within the double quote, whatever you are giving, that will be printed here. Okay. So this is the string literal. Okay. So I will explain when we go for some 3 examples also. So this is the first step. And the next one is, so what we have seen here is there are 2 steps. First one is setting up and the second one is first step in the Python. So we have seen that. Next 3, third one is core concept. Okay, so variables, this is the one we are going to discuss about. What are variables? It is required to store data temporarily or permanently depending upon the place where it is being used. So now here name equal to within double quote Prabhakar is there. So within double quote whatever is there is the string object. So this string object is being assigned, equal to symbol means assigned and this is the left side you have variable. You can type whatever you want. NME or N or my name, anything you want to type, you can just type it, okay? But without giving any space between that. So name is the variable, equal to the assigning operator, and this is the actual value. If it is a string or text containing alpha and numerical and symbol, whatever it is there, within double quote or within single quote, it is very easy to assign the value to this variable name. So name is the variable. Here age equal to 25. Here we have not put any double quote because for entering number, you don't have to put double quote. Okay. If you put within double quote, it will be considered as a text and it will not be considered as a number. So very carefully, integer or float. Float means 25.01. That 0.01, if you want to put it, then float is to be defined for this. Okay, so those things and all we'll be just coming and learning the next examples. Now we will just see here. This is variable. Simply try to understand this. Next one, in the core concept, we have seen variables. Second one is data types. So INT stands for integers. FLOT stands for this decimal point. STR stands for string. String means any text or in text plus numbers, whatever symbols are there. Boolean is there are two values only possible, two options, true or false. You cannot say at the same time a statement is true as well as it is false. So Boolean value is, now this is being assigned here as the data type is BOOL. Okay, right. Next, list. List means it will be having one particular array of value which can be assigned to a particular variable also. DACT is for dictionary. Okay, so these are the data types you should know. So what we are focused here is variables, data types. Next one is operators. As you are aware, mathematical operators plus, minus, this star is for multiplication, this symbol slash is for division, this is to give percentage, and this is to assign equal. There are other languages will be having only one equal, but here if we want to put it as, we have to just make it as equal, okay, right? So these are the other operators. We will just learn this later. Now, control flow. Control flow means there is a condition here. If age is greater than 18, print adult. Otherwise, else, print minor. So this is being based on some condition. Okay, based on some condition, this control flow is working. You will be able to learn this when you practice this. And the next one is, instead of 6, we will just go here the loops. Okay, please don't see this now. Loops. So for I in range 5. Okay, range 5 means it is going to select 5 times of this one. I will be printed here as 1. Then it will be again coming here. Then 2. 1 below 2. 2 below 3. Like this it will be doing this. Okay, so these are the things are called as loops. We will see through the examples here. So what we have learned here is variables and data types, then loops, control flow like this. And the fourth one is functions. So DEF stands for defining a function. So greet is the function. This you are able to see, greet is a function we are creating, user defined function. What it will be having the parameters name. Okay. So return. This is F means after F, whatever is typed here within the double quote, everything will be made available when you print it. Okay. So hello and comma within the curly bracket, you are putting name. So name is the variable here. Whatever is the function for this name. So instead of name, whatever you are giving the name here, it will be printed here. This. So we are saying here after the this is the function definition is done here. Greet name is a function. So what it will return when the function is defined, it will return hello and then the name. So if somebody is creating that instead of name Prabhakar is written here. So it is going to print it with the greet function, and for the name variable we have given here the actual alias Prabhakar. So greet means what it will return? It will return hello and name. So hello Prabhakar, like it will be giving this. So this is type of functions also can be, we can define as a user. So user defined functions are different built-in functions are different. Okay, right. Next, we'll just see fifth one is practice ideas. So you have to practice after seeing my examples here or some website or go to this W3 school, like this, many websites are there. Then after practicing some exercise, you can just write a program to calculate the area of this circle, how to calculate it. Build a simple calculator. Create a to-do list using list and loops. You have to generate whatever idea is available in the world. There are billion or trillions of ideas. Keep on, people are generating. This no many projects are being done using computer languages like Python, VB. VB means Visual Basic. That will be used in Excel, PowerPoint, then this Word. Many things are there. Then people are using to create this. Python is used to connect with the Excel also, PowerPoint also like this. Many things are being used. Then to create the website, people are using HTML, CSS, Java, all these are available. In Google, you will be having this app script. Okay. Up to this, so it is your duty to your interest to develop some programs and practice this. Next, sir, learn about modules. So how to create a module? What are modules? Then explore file handling, how to open a file, how to read a file, how to write a file. Try error handling. So error handling is a uh, very big chapter to be learned on this. Then move on to object-oriented programming. So we will call it as OOPS. These are called as classes. This will be when you now, right now, if I explain something, you will not be able to understand. You will just go and do the installation part, whatever you have done already. Okay. So let us say this installation of this Python is done. So it will ask for your Windows whether it is 32-bit or 64-bit. Based on that, you can just go for this thing. You can use any AI tool. I prefer to go for Copilot as the AI tool and then get the things done by selecting some ideas. Then run the installer by opening the .exe file. After this, you have to check whether the Python is installed or not. You have to give the particular path. Which path you are giving during the installation, you have to be very careful. Then verify this by typing dash Python, Python dash dash version as I told you. Then next you have to go for IDE, Integrated Development Environment. So I have used this Visual Studio Code, which I have shown there now. This is Visual Studio Code with this icon, it will be there. And this is available in my desktop in the shortcut where I can go and open it directly. If you want, you can just go for IDLE or PyCharm also, right? Okay, now there is going to be 3 examples in this. So yellow color means we are in the particular example. Red color means we have not covered. Green color means that particular example we have covered, right? So code, this is the code. Python, print hello world. So shall we go and check it now? So we'll just close this and create new file, example 1. I'll create it .py, okay? So I want to create it as example 1. So I want to give it here, .py very carefully, it is not given here. So creating this. So what you have to type here, print hello, comma, world, then this exclamatory symbol is there within double quote, okay? You are going to do the print, open bracket, double quote, hello, comma, word, exclamatory symbol, then double quote. That's all. So we are going to run it and see this, the output here. You are able to see something here in the terminal now. Nothing is there because hello, welcome to Python is the previous file we have run it. Now we are going to run this particular file, example 1.py. We'll run it and get it. Yes, hello world is printed now. Okay. So these are the place where my Python is available. The yellow color is where my Python is available. Python.exe, that particular file is being used to run this line. So that particular Python.exe file is available inside this C drive, users folder, Prabhakar subfolder, app data subfolder, which is hidden one. Local is also hidden subfolder. Programs also hidden subfolder. Then Python 314 means 3.14. Inside this is considering this as an execution of this file. Okay. Then this particular example 1.py, this file name is just now we have created them. This is also available in this particular drive. Which location it is available, it is given in blue color. So which I keep it in my E drive, because normally C drive will be having computer related program related only, it will be there, computer related softwares. Whereas I am keeping my software which I have created, this one, this is a small one line software which I have created. I don't want anything to happen to my program. So that's why I'm keeping it in E drive. If I keep it in C drive, if something happens to my device, laptop or desktop, everything, the IT person will come and rework on the C drive and all our program. There is a chance that getting deleted or getting scratched. Okay. So instead of that, we can keep it in A drive, B drive, C drive, up to Z drive, except C drive. So I'm keeping it in G drive. Under my folder name is wealth. Inside it, I'm having this online business as a folder where I'm making some online businesses. Okay. Then Python is the subfolder of online business. Then VS Code is the subfolder of Python. Then PC means Python code in VSC for beginners. Examples. In this example.py is done. Right? So hello world is done now. So we have to understand what are these each and every terminology word by word. Okay. What is the output it is giving? We are aware. The output is it has printed world, hello, comma world with the exclamatory mark. That's what you have seen here, right? Okay, next. What we are going to see here is word by word understanding in this. Print means what? Open bracket means what? Everything we are going to see here. Okay. So this is how I'm going to explain all the three examples by giving this table. So please clearly watch this. Print is the type is it's a method. In according to Python, it is a method, meaning built-in function to display output. Okay. So similar words. So other than print, what are the other things possible? How to use this? Input, len, length of characters for to get this, you will be using len. Then type is there. Next one is open parenthesis is available here. Okay, after print. So that is the second word I asked the computer to explain that. It is explaining now. So it's a symbol. What for it is used? The meaning is opens the function call. So when you open this, it is going to define a function here. Now it is opens the function call. It's a built-in function, because when you make it as print, it is a built-in function. So it is opens the function call. We have to assign something. What to print? So similar words means for the similar symbol, we can use this curly bracket and this square bracket for some other situation, not in this situation. Print should always be coming with this parenthesis only. Next, within double quote, whatever you are typing, it will be called a string object. Okay, because within double quote, whatever you type it, it is called a string object. You can use it single quote also. Sometimes you will be using apostrophe symbol. Okay, my friend's phone, FRIEND, okay, then apostrophe S will be putting. At that time, single quote will be using. So we should be very careful in which case you have to use single quote, because when you put single quote and if you start friends with apostrophe, then the friend portion only will be considering and the program will throw some error. So it is always better to make string object within double quote only. Okay. So for the meaning is text data instance of str class. So str is this is a data type which I told you. It's not a number. If it is a number or integer or float, it should be without double quote. So here we can just type anything. The similar words what we can type, anything you can type in the world. So many words are there, you can use it. They are not the keyword of the computer, keyword of the Python program. And closing the symbol, it is closes the function call. As we have discussed here, opens the function call and here closes the function call. So what you have learned here is print command is giving what? Whatever you are giving inside the parenthesis, it will be given. For string type data, you should put within double quote. If you put 5, it will be giving 5. Okay. Next example. So this is end of example 1. Next code 2. You are seeing here, this is the second one. So example 1 is green, now we have completed. Example 2 we are just seeing because it is yellow. Example 3 we have not yet completed. So in this video, we'll be seeing up to 3 examples. Example 2, it's a simple addition. A equal to 5, B equal to 3, print A plus B. What is the output you'll be getting is 8. Okay, that's what the output you'll be getting this. So anybody will be able to understand. So what is this A? What is this equal to? What is this 5? Equal to symbol, you are already aware that it is assigning this thing. Okay, so A is the variable here. 5 is the integer here. Okay, then print is a built-in function. It is just doing this A plus B. So in Python, is it not very simple to understand this program now? Simple addition. So one of the in the table, we are having this first line code. Line 1 is, so this is how this is how I'll be making the video by explaining line by line what it does mean. So A is the first word here. It's a variable. Name pointing to stored value. Okay. So A is the name, which is a variable. So whatever value it will be stored, we are assigning it will be stored there. Equal to operator, assignment operator. Other than this, similar words what we can use here is in other situation, not in this situation. Plus equal to or minus equal to, which we will be understanding it in other examples also. 5 is an integer. Data type is integer. Okay. Numerical literal. Other similar words will be any number you can just type it. Next one is same way B equal to 3 is assigned. So A equal to some value, B equal to some value. This is how it will be assigned here. Next, print A plus B. So here print you are already aware it's a method and it's a built-in function. Display some output. Print mean it will return some value. Okay. Input or len also will be similar words like that. So A is variable, B is also variable, plus is the operator. Okay. So this is how you will be getting this output here. So example 2 is over now. So example 2, we have to practice it here. Just type here, not typing here, file, new file. I'll create it as example. Example 2, without py I'm putting it. Create a new file, I'm going there. So it is going to same place, example 2, then dot py. Py is for Python code we are creating, okay? So dot py. So here what we have to do? A equal to 5, B equal to 4, print A plus B, okay? So now we will save this, Control S save this, or we can just go on it, click this also, Control, file save, this also is possible. Then run it. See here before in the terminal, we have not got A equal to 5, something is not received here, okay? So we are going to execute now this particular 3 line. There are 3 lines. We are going to execute and see this run. Okay, number 9 has come. So 5 plus 4 is number 9. The next example. So example 1 and 2 is now it is green. We are in the third example. Example 3 is if condition. Okay, age is a variable equal to 20. If age is the variable assigned for this age is greater than or equal to 18, this is what it will check. And this full colon I will explain in the table also. Then print whatever is there inside the double quotes. So this condition, if it is true, this condition can be true or false. It is going to give a output as true or false for this in the memory, temporary memory. Okay, it will not be printing something because it is coming with if only. So if this condition is satisfied, so what is this age equal to 20? Now it is greater than or equal to 18. Yes, it is greater than or equal to 18 because 20 is greater than always. So it will print adult. If it is not true, it will not execute the next line. It will go and ask the next line. Else, if it is available. If else is not available and this line is not required, it will not be printing anything. Only adult only it will print. Otherwise, it will keep quiet. But we are giving another condition, else full colon. It's the start of another block. So this is first starter, first block. If age greater than or equal to 18, this block will be executed. Otherwise, next block, else this is a full colon is the next block, it is start of next block, it will print minor like this. Okay. So what we are going to see here is example 3, file, new file, example 3. I am not typing py here because even though if I am typing the py, it is asking here also py. Okay. So let's create this. Now what we are going to do is age equal to 20. If age greater than or equal to 18, then full colon, then print. I'm just, whenever I'm entering this, automatically going and adjusting in display. That is the beauty of VS Code, okay? I am not putting anything else, extra intent and all I'm not putting. Okay, this is here. What you have to put? This is adult. If it is greater than 18, then it is adult only, okay? Then else I'm going to type it. Else. So else when I'm typing this full colon, it is just adjusting its position there, okay? The next one is print. Print. Within double quote, it is minor. So when I start with the single parenthesis, automatically it is closing with the parenthesis. When I start with double quote, automatically it is creating the closing parenthesis also. Inside this minor text is there. So now Control S save or file save is also there. Okay. Right. Right now we will just run and see here. What is the output? Nothing is there. Only 9 was the output here. You are seeing this block, this blue color dot. These are the outputs for the previous run. Now we'll just run this file. Okay. Now we are seeing this. It is adult here. Okay. So if I put here number as instead of 2, if I put it as 17, it will say that now minor. Shall we check this now? So it says minor. So for this particular blue dot, which are the files run? So this is says my python.execution file is from this C drive, from this folder it is run. Whereas I am keeping my Python file, which I have just created now, this code file. This is code file. My Python file 1. Then example1.py is my Python file. Example2, example3.py, like this. Okay. Now we are going to understand each and every word by word. What is this age? What is this equal? What is this print? What is this adult? Everything we are going to see here. Okay. What is this full colon also we can just see it. There are 5 lines here. So this slide is for line one of 5, word by word. You can just see here the line 1 is age equal to 20, right? So the word is age, which is a variable represents a person's age, years, or number is a similar word which you can use it. Okay, then it is equal to is the operator, assignment operator. Then 20 is the integer, numerical value. It is very easy to understand this line. Line 2 of 5. Okay, now here it is very, very interesting here. So if is the first time we are using, it's a keyword. When you type if, everybody in the world, whoever is typing the Python, if means it is a keyword. The computer will understand in the same way only. It will not understand. But age, if you type it, computer can understand it as age. So if you put age, then you can assign anything for that. You can put some value also. You can put some string also. Okay. So if you put age equal to within double quote bird. So age means it is equal to within double quote line. Something also you can put it. Okay. Instead of that, you can just put a whatever is required because it is a variable. Variable can take any value. Okay. Like VBA variable, you have to declare and then put it. What is the data type? Variable DIM, like this you will be starting with, and we will be declaring the value as a particular data type only. It is an integer or it is a string like this. But in Python, it is not required. You can just straight away go and assign any value here. So age is a variable, and this is the operator greater than or equal to, it's a pair operator. Okay, it's not a single operator. It's a pair operator greater than or equal to. Same way you can use the other symbol also. 18 is integer, as you are aware, comparison value, and this is single quote symbol. Start the indented code block. Okay, so this block is now it is starting because of this full colon only. If it is true only, it will be executing the next line. That is the meaning of it. Third line is print adult. So we are aware print is the keyword and it's a built-in function. Open bracket, the closing bracket, we have already seen opens a function call, closing function call. Adult is the string object. Okay, we can just put it as minor yes or no, anything. Right, next one is 4 of 5. Line 4 of 5 is else dot. Very, very interesting because this is the first time you are going to learn as a beginner here. Else is again a keyword. Okay, you keep on watching this in VS Code, whatever we are typing, when it is becoming a blue color, it is the keyword of the computer. Whoever is typing, everybody in the world, if somebody is typing this else, computer will understand the same way only. Whereas the age, what you have typed here is in white color. You are able to see. It will not understand. You have to assign some value, then only computer will understand. Okay. Now here, this is else, then full colon is there. Full colon is the mark start of the code block. So this code block is going to start. So it is like this, first block, second block, execution like this. Okay. So second block will be executed only if the condition of the first block is false. Right. So print you are aware and as a built-in function or displays output also method. It's a method. Okay. We call it as a built-in function also. Then this is open bracket, closing bracket. We are aware, opens the function call, closes the function call. And minor within the double quote, it's a string object. You can just use it. So with this, example 3 is also over. Okay, I hope you have just enjoyed this. Now this example 3 is yellow color here, and now it is in green color. So example 1 is completed, example 2 is also completed, example 3 is also completed. Like this, I will be keep on posting some more examples also as a beginner. So now congratulations, Fran, you have successfully practiced 3 examples by seeing this video. And please practice the same examples ditto. Then you can gain confidence on this. Okay. And next, continue to learn through my channel DPAB. And thank you very much for watching this video. If you have already subscribed to my channel DPAB, thank you very much. But if you have not subscribed, please subscribe. And if you feel that you are not able to subscribe because of some hiccup is there in your this thing, then please create your Gmail ID. Gmail ID using Google. If you have already on Gmail ID, please use the same Gmail ID. Go to YouTube channel. Okay, then sign in. There is a sign in option is there. Click on the sign in option using your Gmail ID, sign in. Then go to the video, any video. Then please go and subscribe that particular video. After subscribing, please press bell icon button and click all, because I'll be giving the videos on Python also, HTML also, Excel also, VB also. Many types of videos will be coming. So if you are interested for the particular Python only, you will be selecting only particular video. So if you give on all, press all after this bell icon button, then you will be getting all my videos related to Excel, VBA. Then you will be getting this my English video also, and my mother tongue Tamil video also. Somebody is interested will be getting the videos on that. And then after seeing individual videos, please press like button and write some comments, share to your friends also. Okay. So thank you very much, friends. Take care. Bye.